Okay, now we're going to do what's called shelling the part. I'm not going to bombard it with mortars or anything, but this hollows the part out. So we're going to move the face back, and it's going to leave a shell thickness of 2 millimeters with one cool thing. So we're going to create the shell, click on that. So we're going to rotate the view. Do that from the view toolbar. Could click on this, rotate around, hit the escape key. The middle mouse button is a better way of doing this rotation, or what I like to call orbiting now. Okay, drag the pointer to rotate the part. Okay, I can see the back. There we go. Do one of the following to release the tool. Click the button for the tool you're currently using. I mean, it's by this. You can see that icon. Click on it again. It's done. Or to click on that, hit the escape key. Or we could click on this and hit the enter key, and it goes away. Okay, but I still like and prefer the middle mouse button. It's the easiest way to do that. Okay, make sure to click on select in the standard toolbar that's up here. So click on that. We actually do, or you can just hit the escape key enough times to get that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to select this back face right here. So if we make it look like this looks right now, we do something selecting that face. Okay, then we're going to click on the shell feature in the features toolbar. Now we're going to select that face, change the D value from its default of 10 to 2. I'm going to click on the check icon. Got to think about it for a moment. There it is. It went all the way in and left just a simple, well, went in and hollowed away a lot of material. Okay, let's move that. We've now got a thin wall part. What this then talks about is creating a section view. So there's our trimetric view that we want to make use of. Okay. We're going to click on the section view in the view toolbar. Like that. So that's SOLIDWORKS MBD to see the section view. Remember if there was a different view tab, but anyway, that would be on the MBD toolbar. I might have to scroll over a little bit. But there's section view. Oh, so I clicked on section view in the property manager under section 1. Section 1, click on top. Oh, plane, top plane, right plane. Well, guess what? I'm going to click on top plane there. Oop, we did a little bit of flip. And then it's going to say, drag the handle up to show the section view. Up we go. Check. So we're going to come roughly to the centermost point here on this. Now if you goofed up your very initial sketch and sketched on a different plane, what you're seeing is likely going to be different than what we've got here. But the most important thing right now is that you understand how to make a section view, whether you got the right section view or not. That can wait. Okay. Now we can rotate and zoom the section view. Only the display of the part is cut, not the model itself. So it's not actually, this is just a superficial for visualization purposes. And then we click on the section view icon again up here. Or excuse me, we would click check right there. So once we click check there, we're left with this view. We can deselect it there and the part's going to come back. Now if we were to click it again, it's back again. Click check, still there, and back on. Okay. Now it's asking us to save again, which would be a very wise decision. Click save, we just saved that. Okay. Then, now we're going to try editing the base feature. We're going to increase the depth of the model, modify the edge fillets, and recreate the face fillets. Okay. So editing the base feature. We're going to click on that trimetric view again. You come to it, excuse me, from here, even there. Trimetric. Okay, there's our trimetric view. Double click on Boss Extrude 1 in the Feature Manager design tree. That is going to be this over here. So I'm double clicking, left mouse button, double clicking right there. Okay, Now this all pops up. So what it says is the feature dimensions appear in the graphic area. What we're looking for right now is double click the 30. There is the 30. Double click. We're gonna, in the modify dialog box, we're gonna set the value to 50. So that's this here. You could also use this roller too. Whoa, that's humongous. Maybe not the most accurate way of doing that. There we go, coming back. 50 and green check button. So once we've altered that dimension down here, we might need to hit that rebuild icon up here to actually make that display an update and grow the part out. There we go. So now with that, we could have done the same thing. We had double clicked on the Boss Extrude one over here before. I just left mouse clicked in the model environment to make those dimensions go away. But even if I double click directly on the part itself, that's going to allow these things to come up, these values to come up and modify. All right. Now it's asking us to save one more time. Looks good.